In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play the King's Indian Defense opening on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel. And here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of this signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to play the King's Indian Defense opening. And of course, if you want to do that, let's just get a board for ourselves by hovering this left panel, learn, click on analysis to get a board. And here, of course, the King's Indian Defense, of course, starts with d4 by white and responded by knight f6 by black. Of course, here, white just simply plays a simple move, which is c4, responded here on the black by g6. Here, white plays the knight c3. Not this one, sorry. This one. Of course, black responds with the black g7. And here, white plays e4 now. And black responds with d6. Now whites play this move, the knight to f3, and of course black castles the king side. And the last moves for the king's Indian defense is actually bishop to e2, the white bishop, and the black responds with a simple e5. And that's how the king's Indian defense opening is played. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.